You wake up, grab your phone, and within seconds you're convinced that literally everyone else is living their best life while you're, well, doing just okay. Sound familiar? Welcome to the comparison trap, and your brain is working exactly as designed, just not in your favor. There are three things: the highlight reel illusion, your brain's survival software, and the hedonic treadmill. The highlight reel illusion. People don't post their 3 a.m. anxiety spirals or mundane Tuesday afternoons. They post the promotion, the perfect vacation photo, the relationship milestone. You're comparing your behind the scenes to everyone else's highlight reel. That perfect life, it's the tip of an iceberg, maybe 5% of someone's actual experience. The other 95% stays hidden underwater. But why does this hurt so much? Meet your ancient brain, running caveman software in a digital world. For thousands of years, noticing what others had was literally survival. Your brain constantly scans for threats, for what's missing. Your ancestors who were good at this survived. Congratulations, you inherited a brain professionally wired to seek what others have. The problem? Your brain can't tell the difference between Sarah got a promotion and Sarah found the better watering hole and now our tribe might starve. Same panic, different century. Even if you could have everything those other people have, here's the plot twist. It wouldn't make you as happy as you think. Welcome to the hedonic treadmill. Research shows we adapt to positive changes incredibly quickly. Dream job? You'll be thrilled for weeks. Then it becomes normal. We're hamsters on a wheel, thinking the next achievement will finally make us happy. So how do you step off this ride? First, remember your brain's comparison obsession isn't a personality flaw. It's faulty software. Being aware helps. Second, train your brain to notice what's working. Gratitude isn't fluff. It's rewiring neural pathways. Finally, curate your inputs. Unfollow accounts that make you feel inadequate. Your mental diet matters. Bonus tip, ask yourself if you'd swap your entire life with that person to get that one thing you're envying. Usually, the answer is no. The comparison trap isn't a character flaw. It's human psychology that's outlived its usefulness. Your life doesn't need to be perfect to be genuinely good. It just needs to be yours. Ask yourself, what if the next level is appreciating this level? If you like this video, subscribe for similar ones or join my Discord to suggest another.